In hospitals, good English helps you speak clearly with patients. Today, I will teach you 3 very important sentences doctors use every day. Hello everyone, welcome to LELTA. In this lesson, we learn simple doctor-patient conversations. You will learn 3 useful patterns and then practice a short dialogue. Pattern 1. How can I help you today? You can use this to start the conversation. Examples: how can I help you today? How can I help you, sir? How can I help you, madam? Pattern 2. Do you feel pain? Use this to ask about pain. Examples: do you feel pain? Where do you feel pain? Do you feel pain now? Pattern 3. Take this medicine twice a day. Use this to give instructions. Examples: take this medicine twice a day. Take 1 tablet after meals. Drink plenty of water. How can I help you today?
Doctor, I have stomach pain.
Do you feel pain now?
Yes, doctor.
Where do you feel pain?
On the left side.
Okay, take this medicine twice a day.
Thank you, doctor.
Repeat after me. How can I help you today? Do you feel pain? Take this medicine twice a day. Good job. These are basic but powerful English sentences for doctors. Thank you for learning with LELTA. Please like and subscribe. In Lesson 9, we will learn how doctors learn from real-life situations. See you soon!